Did you know that you can make money online while you did the 9 to 5 grind that is just wearing you out every single day and getting you no closer to retirement? Now, are you looking for ways to make money online while you sleep? Guess what? You are in the right place. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 ways to make money online for beginners in 2025. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Guys, lately, many people have been searching for how to make money online on the internet. Now, the reasons are not clear, but there are several factors that might contribute, like, maybe the high cost of living, technological advancements, the desire for job flexibility, and even the growing trend of the digital nomad lifestyle. In case you're wondering, what is digital nomad? Hello. A digital nomad is someone who works remotely just by leveraging digital technology. You are able to enable independence from specific locations and schedules. It means you have greater flexibility. Examples of the kind of job I'm talking about is freelancing, remote work, content creation, e-commerce dropshipping, online consulting, teaching, or training online. Guys, this is a phenomenon that has sparked curiosity to explore opportunities and online income. And guess what? When you type in this keyword, how to make money online, just go on Google Trends and type it in. You will see the insights. For people that are not familiar with Google Trends is actually a free tool from Google, yes, that allows users to analyze the popularity of search keywords, yes, or specific topics over a defined period of time. So guys, by utilizing Google Trends, it is possible to understand search trends and compare interests across regions or countries, gain insights into what is currently popular worldwide. So guys, when you go on Google Trends, you can check what is trending in the United States right now. Check what is trending in UK, what is trending in Australia, what is trending currently, real time, what is trending in Africa, South Africa, Kenya, Botswana, Nigeria, Ghana. You can check it, yes, real time. What are people searching on Google? What are people typing on Google? You can actually use Google Trends. You're welcome. Check it out today and thank me later. So guys, you can see on this channel, we're not just talking, we're not just blabbing here. We're giving you free info, free resources that will help you become the best version of yourself. So in case you have not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share this video with your friends. Now, when you go on Google Trends, you might see free cash. Yes. How to make money online in 2025. Yes, so it has a surge in interest. A lot of people are interested in how to make money online. And do you know what that translates into? It suggests a growing number of people that are exploring online income opportunities, particularly through platforms like Free Cash. And in case you're wondering, what is Free Cash? Free Cash is an online platform where users can earn money just by completing various tasks. You can take surveys, you can test apps, you can, play games and engage in other online activities. Each of the task rewards, can be converted into cash through maybe PayPal. They can pay you through your PayPal account, through cryptocurrency, and through gift cards. Yes. Now, guys, in addition to Free Cash, there are other methods that actually exist. And here are 5 creative ways to earn money online. The first one on my list here is called Swagbox. If you're not familiar with what Swagbox is an online rewards program that allows users to earn points that are called Swagbox or SB by performing simple tasks like answering questions, surveys, watching videos, shopping, or even browsing. And you can later redeem them, yes, as cash or as gift cards from well-known retailers. I mean, is it not good? Especially, all these activities can be done without requiring significant capital. And here is how to make the most out of this platform. Now, you go to www.swagbox.com to create an account. Registration process is straightforward. When you do that, go ahead and explore the features. If you're using the mobile device, you can download the app, Swagbox app. It can be used anywhere. For people that are wondering on how to make money on Swagbox, here are some useful tips now. The Swagbox, you can use the search engine on Swag. Yes, use search engine. So instead of using a regular search engine, use Swagbox for daily browsing, because every search has the potential to earn Swagbox money, and it's the easiest way to make money without extra effort. One advantage of Swagbox is that they collaborate with trusted companies, market research companies, to provide high-paying surveys online. And you know what? These earnings from the activities that you do, they are worthwhile, because I mean, especially people that live in the United States, you can shop through the Swagbox portal. For people that enjoy, online shopping, you can use the Swagbox portal to earn cashback in form of Swagbox, and you can use the major retailers like Walmart, like Amazon for specific purchases. And guess what? Swagbox provides attractive offers, yes, from free trials to exclusive discounts. Like I said earlier, do you know that you can make money doing surveys and you can also make money watching videos? For you to maximize your results, prioritize activities that generate more money for you. Always check the account dashboard for their latest offers. Also incorporate your daily activities with Swagbox. I mean, you can be watching the video while you are doing something else. Yes, and that way you're able to maximize your time even on the platform. And you know what, guys? There is a platform. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I know my people know me. So there is this platform that pays you up to $1,850, yes, for research surveys. Yes, and I'm going to be sharing that app exclusively with you guys on this channel. Make sure that you turn on notification because I'll be sharing with you step by step how to do it. We're just going straight into the website. Once I upload the video, people are not talking about it. No one is even going to tell you about it on the streets of the internet. I promise you, no one has mentioned the name of these websites. But of course, it is real, and I am a direct recipient of this website. So it's working, and I can even show you my earnings. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, depending on my mood when I'm sharing that screen with you guys. But really, I need to put you guys in on this website. You don't want to miss it for anything. I'll show you this exact website. They pay you up to $1,850. Yes, just for one research survey. Yes, and there are so many of them that you can sign up for on that platform. Yes, sign up for a lot. There's some for $500. They don't have $50. They don't have $100. Okay, they do. They have $75. I've not seen $50 on that. From $75 upwards. Yes, I've seen, to $1,000 to $1,200. There are many of them on this website. I am telling you, and when I took part in one of the surveys for a major telecommunications, this is a telecommunications, no, it's not a but a major, it's a telecommunications company. It's one of the major two. I hope I've given you enough clue. So they were asking me as well when I enrolled. They asked me, how did you find it? That's how, that's how deep it is. But I'll be sharing with you guys on this channel. So it depends on my mood. So hopefully you guys should subscribe to my channel, or if you join my Patreon membership, yes, go ahead and join my Patreon membership and send me an email, and yes, we're exploring it today. I promise you, not tomorrow, today. Once I confirm that you're a Patreon member, I'll send it to you. That's how we roll on this channel. I told you, no one has ever talked about it on the streets of YouTube. I promise you will not find it elsewhere. Even the organizers were asking me, how did you find it? We are the gurus when it comes to research, when it comes to doing those underground research. We know how these things work. So besties, that is about it for today. Go ahead and implement all of these strategies, and I promise you, you will notice the significant difference. Go ahead and check out Swagbox today, and you're on your way to making money from the comfort of your home. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, you can make money from the comfort of your home without leaving or going anywhere. So if you're new here, please, for the second or third or uptime time, introduce yourselves in the comments. I really want to know you. I want to meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. You can see I'm twinning with my mannequin. In case you're wondering, who are those? Okay, so this is my mannequin I'm wearing. That is what the outfit looks like. You see, what's a wiggle shit? So yes, that is about it. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So I see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Introduce yourselves in the comments. For the options time, I want to do you and I want to meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. If you have any feedback for me, please also let me know. We don't bite here. There are no stupid questions. Feel free to express yourself and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Do not forget, this is not just my channel, it is your channel, it is our channel. And if you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Like I said, when you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me and you join the inner caucus. You're part of the inner gang. So that is all about it today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and keep winning and keep sparkling for your God chances. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Go to Express. Bye for now. Love you.